Last year we instituted the Kashmir Rainbow Warrior Award to honor people who have done a lot of work in LGBTQ for the community, for visibility, especially in the mainstream. So it's not just about being an activist, it could be an artist, it could be a filmmaker. So we're really excited that to continue the legacy. Last year it was given to Ashok Kavi and Wendell Rodrigues, two iconic people. So this year we're really excited to present the award to a wonderful, indomitable activist, a lesbian activist, Betu Singh, who is no more with us. But please put a big hand for Betu Singh.
I used to be a very naughty person, क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में उस समय सेक्सुअलिटी या कुछ नहीं था. जो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी वो एक गर्ल में इंटरेस्टेड थी और उसकी बड़ी बहन में इंटरेस्टेड थी. हम लोग बात करते थे लेकिन कभी ये बात नहीं करते थे कि हम क्या हैं. कभी ओपन नहीं हुए हम एक दूसरे से. So 97, the first organization which started on lesbian was Sangni, the first helpline under the umbrella of NAS Foundation.
That was that Betu Singh, that fierce fighter. She helped a lot in terms of providing shelter and solace to lesbian, bisexual and trans people. I would like to call upon Ashok Kavi, who knew her very well, to speak a couple of words about Betu. Please come up on stage, sir.
You know, I met Betu at the beginning of the century, 2001, and it was a workshop on looking into the next millennium, what we all face. And the real thing that caught my imagination was in the evening when we were talking and we were having drinks. So I poured like a nice gay boy. I took one small peg and she said, "Arey aur dalo na." And by the time she said stop, the whole glass was full. And boy, I was trying my level best to finish 2 pegs and she had finished the whole bottle. And that's how I knew this tough woman, you know. And the last time I saw her was during this horrendous incident where a daughter had run away because the father was forcing marriage on her, and this girl had sought shelter. She was a Bombay girl. She sought shelter with Betu and Maya in Delhi. And the father had sent gundas and the local police with gas cutters to break open their gate. And here was this tiny woman, along with another friend, Anjali Gopalan, standing alone there, fighting off more than 15 or 20 gundas with gas cutters, damn it, I don't believe it. And none of us would even approach because the police kept us off. We were not allowed anywhere there. And here she fought all alone, and it really took a toll on her. And it's upsetting because the last few weeks was very tough on Betu, I mean on Maya of all. And all of us too, because we just didn't know which way it's going. But it's wonderful that she's our Rainbow Warrior. She really, I mean, she deserves that. She should have got that long ago. It should have been the first one that was the Rainbow Warrior. But it's good that Betu has been recognized. And I'm so glad all of you saw her. That was her nice side. When she started the MCPC Galis, you know, she was really something. So, thank you guys for this.
Thank you so much.
We have with us Maya Shankar, her partner and her co-worker, who will collect the award on her behalf. Can we please have Maya Shankar on stage? Thank you.
Thank you, Maya, for joining us. We're going to actually, we're going to ask you to accept the award on behalf of Betu. So we're going to actually first invite our guest and then ask you to talk after we see them. Thank you.
So we have a very special guest in our midst today. She's known as the Queen of Drinks. You know, I have personally interviewed her a lot of times too, and believe you me, she's a wonder lady. She's also the daughter of the former Sheriff of Mumbai. She's known as the fashion industry for designing and draping saris. Well, the list just goes on and on. She's proved that fashion and politics can mix together. We have with us China Hengse.
Let me tell you, from the time I have entered Liberty Cinema, I sense only one thing, and that is warm. The way you greet each other, really, I think it's a learning for the leadership of this country to realize that you need to come to Kashish and these kind of interactions to realize what being progressive is and what being inclusive is. And I'm not saying this as a wannabe politician. I just want to say, Sridhar, thank you for teaching me how to be inclusive and progressive. In the days to come, all I can say that you will have a lot of resistance, you will have lots of people who have varied opinions. I will assure you that I will stand for y'all and stand with y'all in issues that you want raised. Let me complete, because now you may move. Whether I succeed or not is another issue, but I will try my best. And having said that, I think more than trying and more than proving a point, it's just about expressing to the whole society that there are all types of people, and genuine unity starts only when we accept each other with all our differences. And I think Kashish is the one platform that gives creativity this kind of a forum where you can say what you want, feel what you want, and feel it with warmth. So thank you all for having me here.
Thank you so much, Karina. I thought like what the message you carried is exactly the theme of this year's Kashish, which is reaching out, touching hearts. So I would request you to present the Rainbow Warrior Award. Maya, can you please come? Can I get the mic?
That I can take this award on behalf of Vedu, and I was wondering, like, what would she say? And first of all, I think she would be really, really thrilled. She somehow loved the limelight, even though she was quite shy. And I think she wanted, what she would have definitely done is to thank a few people, and there are a few people she really admired and she looked up to. So I would just like to, tell you who this was. One was, of course, Anjali Gopalan, who had helped Sangeeta to set up the helpline and the support group. And she was always there when we were in trouble. She's still there when I'm in trouble. And there was, of course, Ashok Raghavi, who she used to shout at all the time, but she really used to admire the way he has like gotten together so many people in Mumbai, and she always wanted to do the same in Delhi. And she always used to tell me that how much she admires him. You know, Vedu, whenever she used to do something, she just did it from her heart. And I think this award is just an acknowledgement that when you do things from your heart, it just makes a difference. And I think that's what we all should do a little bit of now.